What's up, traders? So let's do a full multi-time frame analysis of USD CAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, this instrument this week will be highly volatile. There is high impact news release tomorrow and after tomorrow, so we could have a very significant trade in this instrument. So make sure you watch till the end to see how we will be trading this instrument. Now, first of all, I will be starting with monthly time frame to see the overall picture. Now, bigger picture USD CAD, if you see, it's clearly a bullish market structure. Starting from here, but you see there is a strong level of support in the past. Historically, there is a support here, support here, support here, and from this support, we see a big impulsive move to the upside. So after this impulse, as usual, we have seen a retracement and we have seen another impulse. As usual, we have seen another retracement. Now we see another impulse. Now this is a squeezed uptrending market structure. Now this has happened when a market need to break this kind of level of resistance. It creates that kind of squeezed market structure, but it's a series of higher high and higher low. So this is a strong bullish market. Now if you narrow down to the recent time frame, this current monthly candle, what you see that the previous months, after this previous months, we see this doji now forming this current month, and this current candle just broke this level of monthly resistance. Let me draw this trend line, and when you will go to the lower time frame, then you will clearly see how this monthly trend line is formed. If you see, there is a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Now we see that literally this monthly candle is going to close above this resistance, and this candle is closing tomorrow in Sydney time, in your zone, whatever time it is. So we could see potentially a little bit of retracement to this level and then potentially rise up on USD CAD. Let's see on the weekly time frame how the price action is forming. Now, as I mentioned in quite a few of my analysis, if you see that this is the weekly level which we have seen on the monthly time frame, back to back quite a few consolidation and creating a doji. Now in this doji you have a very important clue that left. Always remember, it is said that success always leaves clues, price action also always leaves clues. What is that? Look at this one here. First of all, we see an inverted head and shoulder. It is three candle. First thing. Secondly, we see that every week the price is creating a series of higher low. So what is likely to happen is the price is forming this kind of price action and it could blow out along this zone. So weekly time frame as well, we could see a rise in this one. And also today we have seen a gap opening, broke this resistance level completely, open gap above. Now we have seen a test, we could see potentially further test and pushing to the upside. So USD CAD on the weekly as well, we see a strong move to the upside. Let's see on the daily time frame how we can find a potential trading opportunity. Now this is the line that we have drawn based on monthly. Let's adjust it for the daily time frame, as lower time frame could give you a bit more clear picture. So this is the daily level, and if we draw it with this support as well, what you see that USD CAD has created this structure. Now this is a bullish structure starting from here, a big impulse and then triangular pattern. So let me draw it separately and let me show you how it is likely to happen. So this is a bullish price action all the time happening in the markets. When you see this kind of price action, you could first see a potential false breakout to the downside and then break false breakout to the upside and then finally breakout to the trending to the upside. So this is a master pattern in forex. So let's see how we can correlate this structure with here what we see in USD CAD: a false breakout of this triangle to the downside, a false breakout to the upside, closing back below, into this triangle, tested this support as a resistance, pardon me, resistance as a support, both of this line. Now what we see that the price opened as a gap, closing all this level above. So what is the trading opportunity now? We need to wait one more days, because today, as this is the monthly close is coming, and also tomorrow there will be high impact news release. So in this time USD CAD could just move in a sideway. So where is that trading opportunity? As you can see that this is the blue line on the daily time frame, 20 period moving average. During the high impact news release, it is highly likely that USD CAD will come down here, test this 20 period moving average, and will shoot up. And this is the high area of value where you see this resistance, this support, this 20 period moving average. And this is where we'll be waiting for this price to move, and then we'll go for long with our student with high risk to reward ratio. As soon as the price will fall down here, we'll place our pending order, keeping our stop loss above this low. Take profit at least 1 to 3 or 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button for me, and also leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.